Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Faridi Cuties and Creativities. In this video, I'll be showing you all a very simple game for your toddler. For that, we'll need handful of chickpeas, almond, bowl and spoon.
Like
Give some
this.
demo to your toddler how to transfer the chickpeas from one bowl to the other.
Put in this.
Very good. After showing the demo to them, they will surely gonna do the same. And they also learn to hold the spoon. This game improves their hand-eye coordination. You can replace the splitted chickpeas with the whole chickpeas.
Wow, Miggy, good job.
It's child-friendly DIY game for your toddler that you can make it by yourself for your little one. Toddlers at this age are used to putting things in their mouth. So you need not have to worry even if your toddler eats it. Keep encouraging your toddler for the job they are doing.
Aha, yummy.
It is very common and obvious that kid gets bored with the same game playing for a longer period of time. So after some time you can add some element to it so that they find it something different. Teach your baby how to separate the dry fruits by giving them a demo. My baby doesn't eat the dry fruit but he is just chewing it. Kids at this age loves to chew things with their gums. So giving dry fruit is a good option for teething. If you still feel that these dry fruits might choke up, you can replace almond by raisins. If you all like the video, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to get my upcoming latest videos. Thanks for watching.